Welcome back to Cophead Customs. A new episode on our 39 Bedford. If you're new to the channel, get in here and check out all our other stuff. Catch up to what this is about. We're building this for $5,000. If you've been kicking around and watching us, you'll know where we're at.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your lossy. I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python. Grab what I like real fast, choke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact.
Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it. Every morning I wake up obsessed, and everything I do the best. And deep within my mind you know I'll always manifest it.
We haven't touched this for weeks and weeks and weeks. But we've finally jumped in on it. And today we've gone hard. So we've got a list of all the jobs we've got to do. We've got a list of all the pricings. I've got to write them up. Because we have made budget easily. We've got to build it for $5,000. So
in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. Oh, oh, then I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
As you will see, I've been flat out today. We're completely tearing it down. We've swapped motors. We've got the automatic in, the 202 automatic. We've got the tray out. We've got everything out, the floor out. We haven't pulled the seats out yet. We're about to do the fuel tank. That's our next job. Got some more parts here to come in. We've got to take this fuel tank out. Man, our other one in. We painted that. And then we went, what? Stop painting. We're not painting. So we decided not to paint this motor. So this is our automatic. I think it looks a treat. I think it looks an absolute treat. So anyway, we're just going to keep kicking on. There's heaps of time-lapse footage. That's going to be our air cleaner. We'll look at that later. We've got shocks to do. We've got suspension. We've got shifters. We've got, you name it, we've got it all to do. So it's just pick something on the list and get into it. So we're going to probably pump a video out every 1 or 2 days. And let's go. Let's get this thing built. Reaper.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test. Expect nothing less, you check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold an obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds, they can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5, no mean boss, just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
Wait, so as you can see, pretty late. I don't even know what time it is. We've got a fair bit done today. It is nearly 8 o'clock. So, we swapped motors and transits. They're all bolted up. And this actually, look, it's actually the same colour. It's heaps better. Heaps better idea. We've put the extractors on. And yeah, our pedal came in today. So we're gonna have to make a mount bracket thing from this pattern to the, and we're gonna have to change the floor a little bit where we mount it. And here, let's go look, I'll show you. Do we mount it? Basically, like there. The accelerator's just there. So basically it'll be like that. Or do we put it on this side? They'll say it's too far away. I think we put it there. I think that's what we do. Alright. Be a little bit. I think that's how we have to do it. Anyway, give her a bath in the inox. Put that new motor in. It all looks good. I checked the oils in it. It looks really good. So we've put the alternator on. We've got to get a belt. And look at this thermostat here pointing up. It might hopefully work. So we've put the carby and the manifold and the extractors off the other motor. Just because the exhaust was already started. Is there any reason? And wow, we pulled one of the brake shoes off, and then all the bits that fell off. We've got our work cut out with the brakes, I think. We're right. That's day one. If this is the progress we make each day, we should be able to do it in a month. See how we go. That's the plan. 1 month I'd like to have it finished. If we make that sort of progress, we'll probably make it. Alright, I think I'm going inside. Had enough. There might be an episode. Do that. Drop your comments. See you tomorrow. Woo! Arriba. Arriba.